Throw it. Oh,
yay!
man. You're the champ. You rock.
Christian!
What is this, dodgeball day?
Yeah. Come
Christian! Christian!
Why is he like that?
I don't know. He's just really attracted to it. Christian!
on.
Is he trying to eat it?
Yeah. He's like,
Christian! Christian!
I guess that means he's
Probably
hyped
trying to
up.
figure out how that buckle works.
Yeah, he's like, I'm gonna study this thing. I'm getting out of this joint one day.
How big is Christian? So big! No, go back the other way!
Why? You're running from
Where are you going? Hi,
Let's go,
Christian.
Christian! Come here, baby, come here!
Oops. What's that? Is your car?
I bet he's got a dirty diaper now.
Probably. I saw him go like. How big is Christian? How big is Christian? So big. I love you. Huh?
I said, that's awesome that he remembers that.
Yeah, I know. How old is Christian? What are you doing? Are you sleepy? So big. Huh?
That was cool how he knew to say he was hungry.
Oh, with the papa? Yeah. Ralph's mom, I guess, has been doing that with him because we haven't been doing that. Go, Christian. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. What are you doing? You walk. There it is. Get the ball.
One, two, three. One, two, three.
Go get the ball. Go get the ball.
Yay.
What a crawler. Stand up, buddy.
That's a curveball.
He wants more food.
Here you go, something more you want more to eat.
Give me some more strawberries.
Strawberry.
You know it's for that strawberry.
What a cute baby.
Good boy.
Smile. Boo. How big is Ralph? So big. I'm just
Ooh,
kidding.
that's a big bite, wasn't it?
Take a picture.
I'm recording.
Oh, you suck.
Ralph.
You had that
Strap on.
strap, a wristband.
Do you?
Good?
You're a dork. Christian, are you ready?
What about this one?
We need some more entertainment besides this. This. Okay. Christian, you get the ball now? Throw the ball. Yay! Clap, Ralph. Yeah, oh, he's bowing.
Bowing.
What is that about?
Took a bow.
You're goofy, Christian. Throw me the ball.
Throw the ball.
1, 2, 3.
Yay! You're so good, Christian. Take a bow. I don't know what that's about.
Whoa, come here, come here, Daddy. Come here. Oh, my buddy.
Okay, y'all are done, I guess. Is he gonna cry?
Anaconda squeeze.
I need to get a video of him crying. Child abuse.
Sleep.
Be careful.
I love you, little guy. You know, I don't care what anybody says.
I bet he sleeps good tonight.
He better. Actually, he doesn't have a problem sleeping at night.
Heck no.
Oh, I heard that burp. That's not so
Gross
great.
burp, Christian. That was sick.
Throw the ball. Yay! Clap, 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 clap.
Stop, yay!
Yay! Yeah! Thank you. That's what I want.